Good morning, children. Take out Social Studies, Book 1. Okay. Chapter 1, page 10. Question B. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Okay. B. Children, everyone take out your school homework copy and school diary also take out. See, football, Nira, girl, Brony. First one, Aditya likes to play with his dog. Dash. Number 2 question, Nira is a dash. 3 dash likes swimming. 4 Aditya likes to play dash. Everyone follow me, student. Question B. 1. Aditya likes to play with his dog. Dog name, you know children, dog name? Yes, Brony. Broni, Brony. Okay. So Aditya likes to play with his dog Brony. Number 2, Nira is a girl. Right here, Girl, girl. Okay. Mira is a girl. Question 3. Likes swimming. Who likes swimming? Nira. Right? Nira. N-E-E-R-A. Nira likes swimming. Question 4. Aditya likes to play right here, football. Okay. Next question C. Write true or T for true and A for false statements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1. Aditya's age is 6 years. True or false? 2. Aditya likes playing with his dog and his football. Question 3. An identity card gives brief information about you. Question 4. Safety means with care. See, one, Aditya, Aditya's age is 6 years. True or false? Right. Okay. Number 2, Aditya likes playing with his dog and his football. Play and identity card gives brief information about you. Simple. Safety means with care. So children, first one, Aditya's age is 6 years. This is false. F-A-L-S-E. Question 2, Aditya likes playing with his dog and his football. Yes, true. T-R-U-E. True. Next, an identity card gives brief information about you. T-R-U-E. Safety means with care. True. Okay. Now children, next page, this is home activity. Draw or paste pictures in the given spaces. I like to eat. You like what you eat, so you paste. Okay, paste pictures. My favorite color is, what is your favorite color, children? So your favorite color, red, blue, green. So your color you paste. Okay. My favorite dress is, your favorite dress, you paste here. My favorite toy is, your favorite toy. So this is activity. Okay. Do it on your own. School activity. Draw a picture my classroom and color the pictures. So important question. Important ABC. It's important, very important. ABC. And this chapter, my school is important, my family tree, children, your grandfather name, grandmother name, father, mother name, brother, sister name is very important. Practice it very nicely. Well, and address, this page, your father number, phone number, mother phone number, mother name, okay, identity card, what is it, and first page, Aditya or and Neera, okay, about myself is important. So children, next chapter, okay, everyone open this chapter, chapter 2. Chapter 2, my body. Unit 1, about me and my family. Unit chapter 2, my body. See here, right side picture. By the end of this season, you will be able to understand body is like a machine, 5 sense organs. So our body, see the picture, our body has many parts just like a machine. See, many parts. If you look at yourself, if you look at yourself in the mirror, you would see that. See, head, neck, shoulder, chest, stomach, thumb, finger, thigh, knee, foot, toe, ankle, leg, elbow, hand, eye, eyes, nose, mouth, hair, ear. So many parts just like a machine. Okay. So you should two eyes. You sorry. You have 2 eyes. You have 2 eyes. You have 2 ears. 2 eyes. 2 ears. You have 1 nose, little nose, see, little nose. You have 1 mouth, see, small mouth, and you have 1 tongue. Okay. Repeat again. You have 2 eyes. See, you have 2 eyes. You have 2 ears, see, 2 ears. You have 1 nose, see, 1 nose. You have 1 mouth and you have 1 tongue. So see the picture given on right side of the page. Note the name of various body parts. Various body parts. Not same name. Leg and hand is not same. Leg is this, hand is this. So various body parts. We all have a special fingerprint which is different from others. Very important. We all have a special fingerprints. Okay. Special fingerprints which is different from others. Okay. Next, each part of our body has different name as shown above. Every part functions in different manners. We can do many things with our body. We can read, write, eat, play, listen to music, ride a bicycle. So we can do many things with our body. Read, write, We can read, we can write, we can eat, play, listen to music, ride a bicycle. We see things with our eyes. See, little boy, small eyes. See, so cute. See, we see things with our eyes. See, second picture. We smell flowers with our nose. Nice smell, beautiful smell. Okay, beautiful flower and nice smell. We smell flowers with our nose. Okay, so nice smell. Flower smell is so nice. Okay, next we taste ice cream. Ice cream is cold, sweet. So with our tongue. See. So we taste ice cream with our tongue. We hear music with our ears. See, listen to the music. We can. So we hear music with our ears. Next, skin. We feel different things with our skin. See, skin. You hurt, you pain, you pinch. So we feel different things with our skin. So feeling. Okay, we feel different things with our skin. 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, tongue, ear and skin help us to feel the world around us. They are called sense organs. It's very important. Okay, so my body is very important, children. Now take out your diary. Take out your diary. Homework. Chapter Chapter 1, page 10, 11. Chapter 2, page 12 or 13. Okay. So children, practice.